Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is January 29th, 2026, and we're diving into the second quarter fiscal year 2026 earnings report of Adtalem Global Education, the largest healthcare educator in the United States. Joining us is John, our senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Adtalem's latest report is quite impressive, especially with their continued growth in student enrollment and revenue. I'm excited to break down the details with you today.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Adtalem reported a revenue of $503.4 million for the second quarter, marking a 12.4% increase year over year. John, what are the key drivers behind this growth?
The revenue growth is primarily driven by increased enrollment across their institutions, particularly at Walden University, which saw a 13% increase in enrollment. Additionally, their adjusted earnings per share of $2.43 exceeded expectations, showing a significant 34.3% growth year over year. This indicates strong operational performance and effective cost management.
And how about their profitability metrics?
Adtalem's net income for the quarter was $76.4 million, and their adjusted EBITDA rose by 23.9% to $154.9 million. This reflects their ability to leverage scale and improve margins, which is crucial for sustaining long-term growth.
Enrollment and institutional performance. Adtalem's enrollment numbers are quite impressive, with a total enrollment of 97,010 students, up 6.3% year over year. Can you elaborate on the performance of their institutions?
Absolutely. Walden University achieved its highest total enrollment in history, with a 13% increase year over year. Chamberlain University also continued its growth streak, marking the 14th consecutive quarter of pre-licensure BSN enrollment growth. These figures highlight Adtalem's strong positioning in the healthcare education sector.
And what about their new program offerings?
Walden University has been proactive in expanding its curriculum, launching 7 new degree programs, including Masters in Applied Behavioral Analysis and Clinical Psychology. This diversification is likely to attract a broader student base and drive future growth.
Capital allocation and shareholder returns. Let's talk about capital allocation. Adtalem completed a $150 million share repurchase program and initiated a new $750 million program. How does this impact their financial strategy?
The aggressive share repurchase strategy underscores Adtalem's commitment to returning value to shareholders. In the second quarter alone, they repurchased $165 million worth of shares. This, coupled with a net leverage of 0.9x, indicates a strong balance sheet and financial flexibility.
How does their cash flow position support these initiatives?
Adtalem's robust operational cash flow allows them to fund these repurchases while maintaining investment in growth initiatives. Their ability to generate consistent cash flow is a positive sign for sustaining shareholder returns and strategic investments.
Guidance and future outlook. Looking ahead, Adtalem has raised its adjusted EPS guidance for fiscal year 2026 to a range of $7.80 to $8. What does this tell us about their future outlook?
This upward revision in EPS guidance reflects management's confidence in their growth trajectory and operational efficiencies. Their revenue guidance remains strong, with expectations of $1.9 billion to $1.94 billion, indicating continued momentum in their core business.
And what should investors look forward to in the coming months?
Investors should keep an eye on Adtalem's Investor Day on February 24, 2026, where they will likely provide more insights into their strategic initiatives and long-term vision. Their focus on expanding healthcare education and integrating AI into their programs positions them well for future growth.
Key takeaways. In summary, Adtalem Global Education has delivered a strong second quarter with impressive revenue and enrollment growth alongside a strategic focus on shareholder returns. John, any final thoughts on their investment prospects?
Adtalem's robust financial performance and strategic initiatives make it an attractive investment, particularly for those interested in the education and healthcare sectors. Their commitment to innovation and growth bodes well for long-term value creation.
Thank you, John, for your insights, and thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Adtalem's performance in the comments below. Until next time.